In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personas using Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn one of your tracks into a reusable persona you can apply later for consistent style and voice. Start by heading to the Suno website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button and click it. You'll see options to continue with an existing account. Choose your account and confirm your email to proceed. This keeps your library and creations tied to you, which is important for the next steps. After you're signed in, go to your library. Here, pick a song you want to base the persona on. Choose a track that really captures the vibe you want to reuse. Maybe it nails the vocal character, tone, or instrumentation you're aiming to replicate. The stronger the source track, the more useful the persona will be. With the song open, click the three-dot menu to reveal more actions. Select Create, and then choose Make Persona. Note that the persona feature requires a pro plan. If you see a prompt about upgrading, that's normal. Make sure your subscription includes personas before continuing. Now, give your persona a clear, memorable name. Think about how you'll recognize it later. Use the song's mood, the vocalist's character, or the genre as inspiration. A good name makes it easy to find the right persona when you're in a creative flow. You'll see an option to add styles. This is optional but helpful when you want to nudge the persona towards certain characteristics. Use concise, descriptive terms. Things like warm baritone, lo-fi indie, dark cinematic, or bright acoustic pop. Keep it focused so the persona doesn't become too broad. There's also a field for a description, which is optional as well. Use this space to capture intention and boundaries, what the persona does best, its emotional range, and any signature elements you want to preserve, like sparse arrangements or heavy harmonies. This context helps you and collaborators understand when to use it. Next, choose whether the persona should be public or private. Public makes it discoverable to others, which can be great for sharing your style with a wider community. Private keeps it for your projects only, ideal if you're developing a signature sound or client work. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your persona is created and ready for future sessions. You've taken a single track and turned it into a consistent, reusable creative reference so you can move faster without losing your unique sound.